Imagine being able to completely change your home's layout or renovate your building's exterior into ancient styles with just one click. Today, we're exploring the incredible Ideal House platform, a smart assistant that has revolutionized the world of interior design. From removing unwanted objects to professional 3D rendering, we'll cover it all in this video. So, if you're looking for fresh ideas for your living space, like this video right now and don't forget to subscribe for more advanced AI tutorials. This is the homepage of the Ideal House website, which is a powerful tool in home decoration design. You can see a few examples of what can be done with this platform right here, from changing the face of a house to redecorating and removing or replacing objects. To start, we click the Login option at the top right. Here, you can log in with your Google or Apple accounts. Also, this platform has its own dedicated apps for Android and iOS. I'll log in with my Google account. Once you're in, we click on Get Started for Free to enter this section. Here, plenty of tools are available to you, including object removal, redecorating, changing items, placing furniture and curtains, and many other features, even designing the house exterior and yard with different styles. To begin, I'll use the first tool, which is Interior Remodel. I'll click on it, and after that, we enter this section. Working with it is very easy. You can see here it mentions that you can remove your cluttered, old decor and create a brand new design. First, we click on Add Photo. In the box that opens, we click Upload and upload an image from our system that I've prepared in advance for this tutorial. First, I'll open the image so we can see it together. This image has a very busy and cluttered design. We want to remodel this and redo the decoration from scratch. After uploading, I'll click Confirm. Now, we move to the next part, which is Room Type. I'll click on it. Here, it shows the different parts of the house, from the kitchen, bedroom, and bathroom to other areas you can choose based on the image you uploaded. Since the room I chose was a combined workspace and bedroom, I'll select Living Room here. Now, I'll click on the Style section. Thousands of styles are available here from all over the world and different countries, which can give you great ideas. There are general, Japanese, English, Russian, Chinese ideas, and many other designs that you can choose according to your taste, needs, and geographical region. There are so many styles that you won't know which one to pick. For me, it's truly interesting to have so many choices ahead of me. Among all the styles, I'll choose Ordered Curve. After that, I'll go to Elements. Once I click on it, this box opens for us. Here, you can select anything you want to be placed in your room. Since I had a living room and home office in mind, I'll select a rug, bed, monitor, desk, painting, chair, and bookshelf. You can choose based on your taste. I'm just doing these for testing to see how it works. After that, in this section, you can choose a color palette, and I'll select the blue color spectrum. In this part, you can also write a short prompt describing what you want so the AI knows exactly what you're looking for. From here, you can also choose the number of images you want it to generate for you. I'll leave it at 1, and finally, I'll click Generate and wait for the image to be created. It takes less than 30 seconds to build the image. The image is ready. Let's take a look. Excellent. It's built with a sweet blue color theme that I really like. It did this very accurately and beautifully. You can use the bottom section to place the images side by side and compare them to see how excellently it changed the decoration while keeping everything in its place. You can also download your image from here and save it to your system. You can download the before and after shot, both side by side, or individually. From this part, you can also edit your image again or post it on social media. Now, let's go to another tool. You can select another section from the Change Tool part or go back to the home page. I'll go back to the site's homepage. Now, I want to check out another tool, Exterior Renovator. I'll click on it, and it opens in another tab. Here, we want to rebuild our facade in a different way. It has brought the previous image here, but I'll upload another image from the Add Photo section. I'll click Confirm to upload the image. After the image is uploaded, we go and click on Building Style, and this box opens for us. You can see various structures here. You can also access them directly and quickly from this top section. Among these, I see diverse structures that are truly beautiful. I want to choose a structure from the Persian category, which represents old Iranian structures. From the Persian structures, I'll select this one. Now, I'll go to the Environment section and click on it. Here, you can choose the location, weather, and time. Depending on your taste, I want to choose daytime for it, and I'd like it to be among trees. In this section, you can also provide a style reference, where you should upload an image you like so it has a reference to follow. In this part, you can write your prompt again. Finally, I'll click Generate and wait for the image to be created. It's building the image very quickly. As I said, it takes less than 30 seconds. It has built a new structure for us that is beautiful and looks like Iranian facades located within forests and trees. It's good. I would have liked it to create a roof as well, making it better for a residence rather than just a landmark, but it still built it beautifully and completely respected the Iranian symbols. Now, I'll go back, and I want to test another tool. I'll go to the AI 3D rendering tool, which converts your 2D image into 3D and a render, whether it's a cartoonish image or a real one. I want to use a cartoon image here. I'll click Add Photo and upload a cartoon painting I have. It's a very beautiful painting that I like a lot. Here, you can leave it to the AI or type what you want in the Creative Mode section. Since I want this image to be a 3D render, I'll just type this phrase, transform the photo to 3D rendering. Now, you can use Enhance Prompt to make your prompt more professional. When you click on it, it gives you a few prompts. I'll choose the middle option, which I think is good and has a cartoonish, animated feel. In the Style Reference section, you can also provide an image to use as a reference. Finally, we click Generate and wait for the image to be built. Our image is ready. It did this excellently and beautifully. It created a 3D render that transformed a 2D painting into a 3D image. You can ask the AI to build a real house for you. Here, for the test, I wanted it to take a 3D render while maintaining the colors and feel of the painting. You can compare the before and after to see how well it rendered. I'll download this as well and save it to my system. In the Generation History section, you can also see the images you've built before. Now, I'll go to the homepage to check and test another tool. This time, we want to test the Furniture Try-On tool. I'll click on it, and we enter this section. Here, we upload our image just like before. I'll upload an image of an empty living room. By clicking on the Add Furniture section, I'll upload a specific element I want in the room. Here, I'll upload 2 chairs and a table as a test. After uploading this image, we wait a bit for it to be displayed inside the image. When this part opens, you adjust where you want it to be, cut, and remove extra things from the scene, and finally, we click Done. The image is placed in the scene in 2D, and we assign a spot for it. Finally, we click on the Generate option to build the image. When you are building a house and your room is empty, you can get images from the internet and place them in your room like this to see how it looks. It worked really well for these 2 chairs. It placed the shadows and the positioning perfectly. Now, I want to test another tool. It has many other tools, like Image to Video, which I'll make a separate video about later. Since this video is about interior and exterior design, let's save that for next time. This time, let's use another tool, Virtual Staging. I'll click on it, and we enter this page. After entering, we upload an image again. I'll upload the same empty living room and click Confirm. After uploading, now we click on Room Type, and this box opens. Here, you can say what the image you uploaded is. I'll choose Living Room and click Confirm. Now, we go to Style, which is the most beautiful and best part of this platform as it has prepared many styles for us. In the Style section, we have many choices. As I said before, thousands of designs from various countries, major world cities, or new trends. Among all these designs, we can choose according to our taste. Here, I like soft linear flow, so I'll select that. Now, in the Elements section, you can again choose things you want in the scene, like rugs, tables, flowers, furniture, curtains, and many other things. I'll select these few for the living room. Finally, we click Generate and wait for our image to be built. Our image is ready. Let's take a look. It's good. It built an interesting and pretty design for us that gave us a good idea for our design. We can do this several times to have it designed with different styles and requests. In my opinion, this part is the most interesting part of this platform, where you can have images of your rooms and see different designs here. It has many other features that we'll check out together in another video. A new tool added to this platform is House GPT, where you can explain based on your budget, color preference, and plan, and it acts like a decoration assistant for you. We will also review this together in a separate video in the future. In the pricing section, you can see their paid plans, which can be a good option for those who truly need it. You can even test it for $6 and try it out according to your needs and plan. In the Explore section, there are also many articles and different ideas from designers that you can see, get inspired by, and study. I think it's very good for those looking for interior building designs to gain information. Thank you so much for staying with me and the Desire channel until the end of this tutorial. The Ideal House platform truly shows how much AI can save us time and money. Don't forget to share your design results with me in the comments. If this video was helpful, please give it a like and hit the subscribe button to support us. Until the next video and the introduction of more amazing tools, goodbye.